Enter the glorious, untold story of Africa, where the forests reign supreme. This vast, unyielding wilderness of untouched magic is the beating heart of Africa. Awaken the explorer within you. Conquer the uninhabited. Uncover the mysteries of a bygone era. A place forgotten by time. And reflect on what it means to be truly human. This is a place to revel in the detail, to see perfection in the untouched, to awaken your every sense. Surrender yourself to nature. Here, you will find the incredible. In this, the place of plenty and infinite space. This is where the lifeblood of Africa flows. We invite you to explore, like none before you, the sweeping, protected paradise. Let this breathtaking land ignite the fires within you. This is Unfiltered Africa, the realm of the pioneers.
Welcome to Delcare in Concierge.
Hey. Sugar. Oh, ah, oh, well. Oh, ah, oh, well. Oh, ah, oh, well. I can't get enough. Can't get enough. Can't get enough of you. I can't get enough. Can't get enough. Can't get enough of you. You not capture my heart, and you know that you spin in my head. That only you I need in my life all the time, oh, every day. So give me gunshots. You know I always love you cause you love me right back. You always give it to me like I never had that. Give me right back, oh. The thing that you do to me so enter my body and feed in my soul. All I'm wanting is some more. Drop to the floor and one for me, oh. And you know I cannot wait, oh. Give me update like my Facebook. But why don't we go to the chest, oh? Give me all your love